Simple cooking, simple cooking channel. Get a large mixing bowl that's microwave safe and throw in about 500 grams of white chocolate. Now put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and stir. Then another 30 seconds and stir, and keep repeating that until this is all melted and nice and creamy. Alrighty, that's melted, looking good. Now add a teaspoon of peppermint essence. Now get about a dozen candy canes, put them in a bag like this, and just bash them. Not so they're too fine, so you want fine bits and some chunks. Alrighty, we're done with that. And add the crushed candy cane. And just stir this in. Oh, yum! Now get a baking tray and put the yumminess in there. Just flatten it out now. Now just get another couple of candy canes and crush them. Now just get some of them and just sprinkle it over the top. And just flatten them in just a little bit. Now I like to use a spork for this. Some people call it a foon. Alright, now just pop this in the fridge until it's set. Now that will take maybe an hour or two, and then we start breaking it up. Well, that's set. Just bash it. Ooh, yeah. Simple cooking, simple cooking.